Hey everybody, today we're in a Toyota RAV4. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip mount number 855716. Before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First of all, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see it as the blue covering here and here. You want to peel those covers off before you install the mount. And that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount in the future, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. Second, always attach the mount to the dash before you screw anything to the faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. This mount is going to attach in two different places. The first is the seam here. That's between this soft piece of the dash and the climate controls here, this hard piece above the climate controls, right in there. The second is up here, and it's just under this vent flashing. So you can see it just under the screen. There's a little lip that runs all the way across the vent. We're going to be underneath that for the top. So our first step is we're going to take our lower lip and we're going to insert it here. But you want to make sure this side of your mount is roughly lined up with this edge right next to the wheel here, just so that you're not too far off to the right. So we're going to insert that. And you should feel it snap in once you get it behind this piece of plastic. That little lip will basically grip the hard plastic of the climate controls. Once you have that and you can kind of feel it gripping, we're going to press down on the top mount, and we want to get this lip underneath that seam I showed before. So you just want to flex the mount, get that in there. There you go. Now you have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.